We are Knight Manufacturing Group, a 35-year-old family business headquartered in Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. Here we have a quality plastic injection moulding and assembly facility with modern efficient machinery ranging from 80 to 538 tons clamp force. We have a large warehouse where we can stock product and deliver it to you when you need it. Our experienced staff take great care to make sure everything is right for you. The combination of our equipment, facilities and skilled workforce enables us to manufacture quality products produced to UCAS audited and approved ISO standards here in the UK competitively. Investment into modern robots ensures that we are competitive and reduces waste. Our environmental schemes include recycling 90% of process waste in-house, 50 kilowatt of solar panels, recently installed energy efficient lighting, and 80% of our injection moulders being servo-controlled and less than 4 years old. At Knight, we have our own product design team and use the latest software and CAD/CAM. We are full of ideas and bursting with experience, having dealt with hundreds of new tooling projects. Our new 3D printer will enable the drawing we produce to become a solid model for you, our customer, to work with within hours. Once the design is confirmed, then our tooling team at Knight Precision Tooling in the South Wales Valleys take over. Here we have an impressive array of state-of-the-art CNC equipment and also an established and trusted network of tooling partners around the world. Our extensive project management experience means that we can deal with any new tooling requirement no matter what the size. Once your tool is complete, then we can mould the parts, package, assemble and store the product all at our 25,000 square foot facility in Cardiff. We are also proud of our market-leading intruder alarm products. We have a modern assembly facility where we make these and other assemblies for our moulding customers, which we sell worldwide. Our own products include panic buttons, junction boxes, magnetic contacts, call points, sounders and many more. We have built up an enviable reputation in the last 35 years. We can make your products here too. Our service doesn't end there. If tools need alteration or modification, then we can use our experience to recommend the best way to do this and also to complete the work at our tooling and precision engineering factory, where we also manufacture precision engineered parts, fixtures and jigs to the most exacting standards. If you want to deal with a British company who are small enough to care, but big enough to provide you with the service, quality and price you desire, then contact us, Knight Manufacturing Group.